Today let's learn how to change the business account to a creator account in Instagram. Welcome back to a new guide video of 1-2 Step everyone. In this video I'm going to show you the short process of converting or changing your business account to a creator account. So if you are currently a business account and if you want to switch to a creator account, then make sure you follow the steps. So all you need to do is firstly come over to your profile section on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then open up settings. From your settings, tap on the accounts option, and from the accounts section, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see an option called switch account type. You can just tap on this option and it's going to show you either you can switch to a personal or you can switch to a creator account. So just tap on the second option, which is creator account. Tap on switch, and there you go. Now you've been switched from a business account to a creator account. If I head back to the account section and tap on switch account type, you can see the creator now has been removed and it says business, which means that you've successfully now switched from a business account to a creator account. So that's all it takes to change the business account to a creator account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.